For you to achieve your goals, dominate 2026. Choose goals that inspire you. Pipiliin mo yung goal na nakaka-inspire sa'yo. In my case, it's a car. For you, it may be different. And I can remember 2021, I bought a Porsche. Mabilis kong nakukuha yung mga goals ko because I have a goal for myself at alam ko kung ano yung gusto ko. But noong 2022 to 2025, since lumalaki yung negosyo ko, yung goals ko masyadong nakafocus sa ibang tao. Yes, I love helping people. Yes, it's my passion to create value for people, for my team. Ang goal ko, payamanin yung team ko. Pero nakalimutan ko pala yung sarili ko. Kaya na-notice ko, mas mabagal ako mag-achieve ng goals before. So you have to know and understand what inspires you. Because for me, yes, I love it when I help people. I love seeing people succeed. Especially my team, my circle, my platinum members, my students. But I also have to have goals for myself. And maybe that applies to you as well. Minsan kasi masyadong external yung goals natin. Meron tayong goals for our family, for our friends, for our team, for our business. Nothing wrong with that. Maganda yan, tama yan. Pero huwag mong kakalimutan yung sarili mo.